Today I'm sharing this comforting Swedish recipe, Mangane, that's simple to make and loved by generations. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. Begin by washing half cup of chana dal with plain water 3 times. Then soak the chana dal in water overnight. In the morning, soak 1/4 cup of sabudana in water for 2 hours. Drain the water of the chana dal and rinse it again with plain water. Now transfer the chana dal into a kadai. Next goes in 1 1/2 cup of water. Add salt, mix well. Cover and cook until the chana dal is soft. In a mixer jar, add 1 cup of grated coconut. Add water. Cover the mixer jar with the lid and grind. Place a strainer on the bowl. Transfer the coconut paste onto it and extract the thick coconut milk. I transferred the remaining coconut paste into a mixer jar. I added some water, covered with the lid and ground. Now I am extracting the thin coconut milk. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, hype, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. The dal is soft. Now add the sabudana. Mix it. If the chana dal has absorbed all the water, add half cup of hot water. Mix it. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes until the sabudana is cooked. Stir occasionally so that the sabudana doesn't get stuck. Once the sabudana turns transparent, add 3/4 cup of chopped sugarcane jaggery. Stir until the jaggery dissolves. The jaggery has dissolved. Now I am adding the thin coconut milk. Mix it. Now I am adding the thick coconut milk. Mix it. Next goes in 1/4 cup of chopped cashew nuts. 1/8 cup of coconut pieces. Stir it. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, Mix it. I washed this turmeric leaf with plain water and I wiped with a cloth. Now I'm adding this to the mangane. The amount of salt I added while cooking the chana dal is sufficient. So now I'm not adding more salt. You may add salt if required. Cook until it boils and the mangane thickens slightly. Mangane is ready. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.